guys, welcome back and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel, Charlene's Healthy Cooking. So my name is Charlene. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, and good night to those who are ready to go to bed and sleep. Have a great night and good rest to all of you guys, okay? So I removed my do you call this, my brace for a few minutes because I need to wash the stuff that I gonna cook. But I'm done with that, so I gonna put it back now, okay, because I can't do it without it for now. So I hope you guys have a wonderful night, wonderful day today and last night. Happy weekend, everybody. So anyways, today, what I gonna cook today. I probably not gonna do juicing because I had a lot of juice last night, and there's some more leftovers. If I need to make some more juice for tonight, if we need more, then I can just make a fresh one again. So anyways, what I gonna cook for today is this slice of salmon, okay? So I just have one big piece of salmon, all right? So all I gonna do is bake it in the oven. So what I gonna put is spices and other stuff. Let me get my lemon because it's I got a lemon juice, okay? All right, just a little bit of lemon juice, approximately maybe only 1/4 teaspoon, because it's a big cut, but you don't wanna overwhelm the fish with lemons. It wouldn't taste good. So just probably, yeah, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice is enough, just to have a little taste on it. You don't want to put too much and overpower the fish with lemon, okay? So I gonna just estimate it. I'll just normally sprinkle with some garlic powder. That's all I gonna use, okay? Normally, some people, they put soy sauce. I do put soy sauce sometimes, but this time I'm not gonna put it. And my husband is trying to stay away with salty foods, so a little bit of garlic powder, and of course my favorite salt-free seasoning. There's a lot of different kinds of seasonings in here, like lemon, peppers, something like that. Onion powder, a lot. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it also a little bit, okay, like that, and then put a little bit of onion powder as a substitute of your salt or your soy sauce. So just a little bit, okay, just estimate it. Just estimate the desired taste you want, okay? Just adjust all of it, the seasonings. So no, sorry. But today, guys, I gonna use rosemary, dried rosemary, okay? Just a little bit, not too much, okay? Just estimate. There. And of course a little black pepper, okay? Don't put too much of the black pepper. You don't want it too spicy, okay? Just a little bit to have the little aroma of that black pepper and to take out the fishy smell of the fish meat. And then now I'm gonna put a little lemon juice. So, and then bake it in the oven for approximately 10 to 12 minutes or longer. If it's not cooked yet, you have to keep checking, okay? if it's done or not, but make sure the meat is done, but you don't want to overcook it, okay? Very well done fish. If you cook fish, if it's overdone, overcooked, it won't taste good. It's gonna be dry, so dry. Oh, I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Okay, a little bit of olive oil or whatever oil you have, but olive oil is my preference oil. Just a little bit. This must be only just to have a little drizzle in there, like that. Maybe 1/4 or a little less, 1/8 teaspoon of oil. You don't want it to put too much too. Anyway, this one is not the skinless. There's still a skin in there. I forgot to tell you. But it's easier to take off or remove the skin when it's cooked. Okay? So I'm gonna cook this approximately between, let's just put this way, 10 to 15 minutes, but you have to check every 5-6 minutes and then check it if it's already cooked. If it's cooked, then turn off the oven, leave it there for another minute or two, and then take it out. Okay, not longer than 2 minutes after you turn it off. Okay, or you can take it out right away. So I'm gonna put, by the way, preheat the oven before you prepare the fish. Okay, I preheated the oven with 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's probably gonna only 10-12 minutes, maybe it's done. So I'll be right back and show you when it's done. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the oven now and I'll show you when it's done. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's my salmon. Now it's cooked. It took 15 minutes to cook it because it's a little thick and big. So it's ready to eat. So I'm gonna serve now. This is our dinner. It's 3 o'clock, so it's like lunch dinner now. So pretty easy to cook. Just put all the spices and seasonings and then just put it in the oven and bake it until it's done. So it's a healthy meal today because this is just fish. And my husband can't eat too much. He's used to it with the green juice now, so you only want a small amount. A little rice. I got rice here. A little rice and then the half of the salmon. Then I'm gonna eat the half. So that's for now. That's it for now, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching my video and thank you for joining me in my kitchen again. And I hope you learn something from me. It's very tasty. All the spices, just the spices and the seasonings that I put, perfect. It's not salty, and it's not it's not salty, but it's tasty. All right, just put the seasonings. You don't really need to put salt. Just all the seasonings and spices, perfect. You don't really need to put too much. The lemon, the little drizzle of lemon, it made a big difference on the salmon. It's very tasty. So, but if you want it to put a little salt, it's up to you guys. Okay, you can put salt, but like I said, what I'm cooking and I'm doing is for a healthy meal, especially for diabetic and with heart problem. So, and fluid retention in the body. So that's what I'm trying to do to eliminate or cut back some of the sodium. Okay, and if possible, I don't even really want it to put like this. I didn't put salt at all, but it's very tasty. The nutritionist is really really great. He is right for what she told me, that just put seasonings and spices, don't put salt. Use garlic powder and onion powder as the substitute of your sodium or your salt. perfect. And it's perfect combination with the rosemary, just a little rosemary on it. You can even put a little sprinkle, a little bit of do you call this, paprika if you want, but I forgot. I forgot about it. So but it's a perfect combination of the seasonings and the spices that I put. So perfect, and just a little amount of oil, okay, olive oil if possible. So, or avocado oil, the healthier way, coconut oil. So, but just a small amount, just to have a little taste of the oil in there, the olive oil. So, thank you guys again for joining me in my kitchen, and try it. Cook some salmon the way I cook it. You'll like it. I assure you that it's very tasty. I couldn't believe it that it will be it's tasty as it is right now, as this, without salt or soy sauce, no sodium. So I'm very happy about that with all these spices. But the rosemary made also a difference. The aroma of the rosemary on the fish, perfect. So there you go, guys. We're gonna have a dinner now, lunch dinner. And if we get hungry again later on, we're just gonna have nuts, or I'm gonna make some juice or so. If I can't make it, so it's gonna be our treat for tonight, for today, for being on our juicing journey, you know. So thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Oops, sorry about the knives. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button in there, subscribe, and then click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and you won't miss any of my videos. So please do subscribe, and then feel free to share my videos to your friends, families, or the people you know. They might be interested for what I'm doing about health, or about food, or whatever else that I am doing. Please feel free to share my videos to them, guys, okay? And if you have suggestions, comments, or any message that you want to tell me, just put everything in there in the comment section below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I get around to your comments and read them, and then I will respond to you right away, okay, guys? So, but give me a little time. Sometimes my pain is stopping me from doing things, but I will try all my best, okay, guys, to read all your comments. But suggestions or questions, just put everything in the comment section below. If you have suggestions, and if I can do it, I'll try my best to do it. If I can't, I'm sorry, okay? But I will try all my best. As long as I know I can do it, then I'll do it for you guys, okay? So just put all your suggestions in the comment section below, so that tell me if is it a good video that I did today, or the other day, or whatever you might want to tell me to make my YouTube channel better and my videos. Feel free to put your comments in the comment section below, guys, okay? Just be aware with the community guidelines, okay, guys? So thank you again. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a wonderful day. And stay safe, stay healthy, and pray all the time. God bless you all. Hug and kisses to everybody. My heart goes to everybody. Thank you, guys. I love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys. See you later. Have a great day.